Hello, I'm Krishna Raghavendran, and in this tutorial of MIT App Inventor, we are going to see how to insert a GIF file in MIT App Inventor. So it's you can insert animated GIFs like you can see now in the mobile. Here we are going to use the web viewer component in MIT App Inventor. Now the problem is if we use the image component and then upload the file to the image component in MIT App Inventor, the GIF file, then the GIF, you can see that the GIF is animated in MIT App Inventor. But if we test this app in the mobile phone, you can see that the GIF is not animating and it is just a static image. So in this tutorial we will see how to animate the GIF. Now, if you are new to my channel, I create tutorials on MIT App Inventor so that you can create fantastic mobile apps like we are going to do in this tutorial. So start now by clicking the red subscribe button so that you can create fantastic Android mobile apps. So first we are going to upload the GIF file to the assets of MIT App Inventor in the media section. So let me go to upload file, choose file, and this is the animated GIF file. Now you can see that the animated GIF file is uploaded to the media, and if I already told you that if I bring in an image component and if I put this, the GIF will not be animated and it will be just a static image. So now we are going to use a web viewer to solve this problem. So let's bring in web viewer. So we are going to give the URL of this web viewer to be the location where the animated emoji.gif is located in the mobile phone, the file location. So now let's go to the block section, and here when screen 1 is initializing, which means the app is loading, we are going to show the GIF animated GIF image. So we are going to show it in web viewer. So here you can see call web viewer 1.go to URL, and the URL is going to be the file location. So let us bring in a text block, and here let's put the location. Now I'm going to give this text in the description below, so you can just copy and paste it, and make sure at the end you put the name of your GIF file. So currently for me the name is animated emoji.gif. So here you need to put the name of your GIF file after localhost. So here you can see the app, and you can see that the GIF is visible, and you can also see that it is not just a static image and it is animated because we have used web viewer and we put the file path. And you can also see that you can zoom in and zoom out because we are using web viewer. Now, do you want to use charts in MIT App Inventor to represent data? Watch this video and also watch my full course of MIT App Inventor.